Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to make a fire starter to light any wood for burning a campfire on fire. You can also use this to burn crackers on Diwali or the firewood on Lodi. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to.
Really quick, 66.2% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed, so please consider subscribing as it is free and you can always change your mind later on if you wish.
So to make this, I took a can and I cut it in half. So how I did this is I took a bowl and I put it upside down. Then I put a marker over it like this and I just traced around the can and cut it with a pair of scissors. Be sure not to cut it too jaggedly because this can hurt you very badly. Next I put some wax inside of it. Now we'll cut some cardboard according to the size of this. So this is the sheet of cardboard. And now to cut it, I will just first of all put a mark on it. So we want something like here. It does not need to be perfect, so just put some rough markers. And now I will cut it. Again, this cut does not need to be straight. So now this is the cardboard strip cut. Now what you need to do is roll this like so. Try to keep this straight so that it is easier, because if it does not go straight, you will have problems straightening it up later. I'll just put it inside like this, and as you can see right now it's sticking up because of the wax inside of it, but once the wax melts, this will sit perfectly like this. So this is the final product. Now what we need to do is heat this up so that the wax inside can melt, and I would say some of the wax you should leave out and you should put it over the cardboard. So I have this flame and I have this. I emptied some of the wax into this, and here I have some tongs. So I'm going to hold this like so, and then I'll take this cardboard the reason why tongs are better than pliers is because you don't need to continuously apply pressure on them, which is much safer. Okay, so it does not seem to be happening with the candle, and it's also pretty black, so I'll just go and heat it up on the stove and come back. So I've heated up the wax, and now we need to handle this very carefully because this is very hot now. So now I'll take some hot wax and pour it in the center. First of all, we want to fill up the can, and we can pour some on the sides as well. So I'll remelt some of this wax and do it again. So this is some more molten wax, and I'll pour it in the center, and now you can see it starting to come on the sides. So now instead of pouring it in the center, I will start pouring it on the cardboard so it can soak it all up. And make sure it will do this, so be sure you are working on a surface on which it can come off easily. So while the wax is drying, I'll take the small piece of cardboard and I'll make a cut inside of it like this. Then I'll bend this cardboard like this, like a fan almost, and then I'll bend it in the center. So this will result in a shape which looks something like this, like a T. So as you can see, it is night time now, and now let's try to burn it. To burn it, just get the candle or a matchstick close to the wick and light the cardboard or the wick on fire. I am doing this during night time so the flame is more visible to you. It will smoke for a second and now it will start going. As soon as the wax melts, it will start going. Now I'll leave it for a few moments and we'll come back and see what happens in like a minute or two. So it's been like a minute or two and now you can see it has started nicely. And now this will burn any wood or anything which you want to burn. You can use this on Lodi to burn the fire, or you can use it on Diwali to light crackers or something. So for reference, here is a candle and this is the size of the flame. I don't have any wood on hand right now, or else I would have shown it burning. And this will burn for a good 10-20 minutes. So while I was waiting for this to burn out, I just found this wooden clothespin. Now let's try to burn this. And this wood is wet right now because it had fallen inside a plant. So let's give it a moment. And see, now it's on fire. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.